A very good morning, ladies and gentlemen, students and teachers. It is a very proud privilege for me to stand in front of you today to present the IIHM Presents the Telegraph School Awards for Excellence, now in its 30th edition. In a world where things don't last more than 30 seconds, to have a movement last and grow for 30 years is indeed an achievement. So for all the people who've made it possible over these 30 years to bring this movement to what it is, let's put our hands together for them. It's a privilege for me to be here and to share the stage with so many people who have excelled. Every single individual, every single school who will make their way to the stage has excelled. And as members of the audience, I know it's a long afternoon, we've only just got started, but I don't want you to forget that, because every person who will grace this stage has put in hours, days, if not years of hard work, of dedication, of resilience, of excelling in academics, in co-curricular activities, in something deeper in life. So join me, audience, over the next couple of hours in celebrating with these achievers, with these people who have excelled over the years. All right. Next up, the Delhi Public School Barashat. The Delhi Public School Barashat will receive a Certificate of Merit for Social Service, a Certificate of Merit for Excellence in Extracurricular Activities, and then a couple of individual certificates for DPS Joka. Shamon Hoya Doi, who will receive a Courage Certificate. So let's put our hands together for them, a Courage Certificate. We can't tell you all the courage stories today. I wish we could, but trust me, they've earned that certificate, if anything. With your permission, the Oxford High School Howrah will receive a Certificate of Appreciation for Excellence in Maintenance and Eco-Friendly Initiatives and a Certificate of Merit for Social Service. DAV Model School IIT Kharagpur is the next school. As Contai Public School comes up, let me announce the DAV Model School has received the Certificate of Honor for Excellence in Maintenance and Eco-Friendly Initiatives. Don Bosco School Bandel will receive, anyone is here? Yes, so you're all right here. I'm so sorry. Certificate of Honor for Excellence in Maintenance and Eco-Friendly Initiatives, Certificate of Honor for Excellence in Extracurricular Activities.
Today there was a prize distribution ceremony and it is organized by Telegraph School Award. And Oxford High School has been awarded the award for eco-friendly initiative and award for social service. And with this award, we have just received on behalf of Oxford High School, but I dedicate this award to all my management team, all the teachers, all the students and all the parents of Oxford High School. Because without their cooperation, it is not possible to achieve such a prestigious award. And we always encourage our children to take part in different kind of social activities so that this young generation, when they grow up as a social being and they feel for the society, they feel for their parents, they feel for their friends, relatives and the society at large. Because we are a part of the society, so we have certain obligation for the society. People talk about this young generation is becoming self-centered. But I believe in that if we involve this young generation in different kind of social activities, they will never become self-centered. And we have received the Eco-Friendly Award, and this Eco-Friendly Award for our eco-friendly initiative, because we always encourage our students to participate in different kind of activities for safeguarding the environment. Recently, we have distributed 2,000 plants so that we can be a part of the green movement, because environment is a great threat not only for India, but for the world at large. So we always encourage that we should take part in different kind of environment friendly initiative so that we can protect our environment, we can protect our country and the world at large. Thank you so much.
I'm feeling very much happy and privileged to receive this prestigious award from Telegraph behalf of Oxford High School. This award dedicated to all our the students, teachers and parents. Without their cooperation, this is not possible. Probably you have observed each and every year our Oxford High School receive different types of award. This is a teamwork and hard work of Oxford family. Thank you.